Good news, everyone. Why do I always say good news? It is good news because whether the market crash, right? And if you prepare and if you have a strategy, that it's gonna be a good news for you to buy in stock or crypto at a good discount. And if the market's going up and if you really fully prepare, then you're gonna capitalize on the trend, you're gonna capitalize on the gain. So either way, if you have the strategy, it's gonna be a good news for you as well. So in this video, I want to talk to you about the stock market crash. I really believe that it's going to come. Okay, I believe that within the next 1 to 2 years, the real market crash in the stock market is gonna come. Okay, I don't know how long exactly it's going to be, but I think it's going to be in the next 1 to 2 years, or it could be a little bit more early. Okay, so the question in here is, how do you prepare for the real market crash? What is the best thing you should do right now, Jimmy, when the market is crashed, so I can prepare and be fully ready and capitalize on the gain? Well, I don't know about you guys, but this is my tech, this is my strategy, so I want to share with you. Okay, if the market is crashed, this is what I do. I predict that the market is going to rise again one more time. Okay, I think of everything that happened right now, the stock market is probably going to rise again for one more time. I hope. Okay, I hope the market is not crashed right now and it's getting worse and worse. But I think that the market is gonna recover. It's gonna pick back up in the next few months, and it's gonna go back up to the all-time high one more time before the actual crash. So this is what I'm going to do. 3 simple steps. The first step is, if for anyone who play option, like for example, I play option. If you play stock, then you don't have much to worry, right? Because you're not gonna lose the money unless you sell the stock. But for me, for anyone who play option, I'm talking about the call option, you predict the stock is gonna go up. So what I'm going to do, step number 1 is, I'm going to sell all of my option call. I say that one more time. I'm going to sell all of my option call when the stock is going up, and when I profit, I'm gonna sell all my option. Lucky that I buy my option for at least 1 year, so I still have let's see, right now it's almost June, so I have around like six months, at least 6 to 7 months for my option to expire. So when my option going up, I'm probably gonna sell. So that's the first strategy. And when I sell my option, probably I'm going to do a couple things. But one of the first thing is, I'm gonna take that money and pound more into crypto. I'm gonna put it into the crypto, which is Dogecoin, which is what I believe. Okay, and 2 more other crypto that I currently invest into right now. And of course, I'm not gonna disclose right now yet to you guys. Okay, but I'm going to sell all my option when the stock going up and take that money and reinvest into the crypto that I believe in. So that's the first strategy. The second thing in here is, I'm going to put my focus. I want to put my money right now, whether the stock is crashed or not crashed. I'm putting my money into my top 3 crypto right now. Okay, the number 1 is Dogecoin. Okay, the second one and third one I'm not going to mention into this video, but obviously it's not Shiba Inu. Okay, that is the second thing that I'm going to do, is I'm going to buy the top 3 crypto right now. Okay, now the third step. Okay, let me recap. 1, I'm sell all my option when the stock going up, so that way when the crash come, I'm not losing my money, because it take a while for the market to recover if the actual crash, because it's going to take at least 1 to 3 years for the market to recover again. And obviously, guys, the COVID-19 last time is not the market crash. When the market crash, it takes a long time for us to recover. Okay, now the last step is take some profit from crypto. So let's imagine this for a moment. I'm gonna talk really slow so you guys can understand. Okay, so let's say right now I take the money and I sell the money for my option when the stock going up, right, in the next few more months. and I take the money, I put the money, step number 2 is into my favorite cryptos, top 3 crypto, and I let that money is sitting there for the next 6 months to a year or 2 years, and I wait until the market actually crash for 1 to 2 years. Okay, this is the perfect plan. Okay, but I may adjust a little bit along the way. So I'm gonna let the market going for the next 1 to 2 years. Let my crypto money start develop, grow over time. And when the stock market actually crash, bam, it's crashed down. And during that time, what I'm going to do is when I profit in my crypto, right, in my top 3 crypto, obviously Dogecoin is something that I do not touch, okay? But if I profit into my crypto when the market crash, that is the best time to reinvest back into the stock market, because people will panic in the stock market, and that most of them, they withdraw and they scare and they run away. And that's the time that I'm gonna take the money that I win into the crypto market, and I'm gonna take that money plus my additional emergency fund that I have in my account, and plus my cash flow that I have each month for my company, and I'm gonna shift that money and put into the stock market when it's actually crashed, and I'm gonna buy the top 2 favorite stock during the market crash. For example, which is Palantir. I'm gonna power more into Palantir. I'm gonna power more into COINBASE, because I believe into COINBASE. COINBASE is a company, it's going to rise really strong. Obviously, there's a lot of great company out there, okay? And I talk about a lot of different company, but the top 2 company I really believe in is COINBASE, during the crash, Palantir, and obviously if you want to invest into IPOE, then you can invest into IPOE as well if you believe into it. So I think my top company is Palantir, COINBASE, and IPOE. Those are the top 3. I don't want to invest into a lot, okay? Rolls-Royce is a good company as well, but those are the top 3. But I will put a lot of my money into Palantir and into COINBASE. That's the 2 company right there, and some money into IPOE if it drops. So that is the plan, guys. So let me recap everything. Number 1 is sell all your option when the stock going up, because option have expiration day, and take the money, reinvest into your favorite top 3 crypto that you actually believe in. And when your crypto making money, and when that time the stock market drop, it crash, and take the money from your crypto, summon the money from your crypto, plus your cash flow, your emergency fund, and buy back the stock at the cheapest price, okay? And hold it there for the next 3 to 5 years. So that is my plan of what to do and how to prepare for the real market crash. Good luck, guys, and always invest like a genius.